we must respect and continue to protect is the Bangsamoro Muslim majority. They have been living in Mindanao for centuries, pure, undisturbed by the complexity of the urban life. Caught in between mining, commercialization, war, and discrimination, IP stand firm in their regard for their heritage. Part of our heritage, as Assemblyman Neil said, we are indigenous people and must respect, until now, our indigenousness. We must take pride in our cultural roots and hail those who protect the land we live in, preserve the virtues we uphold, the narratives that they speak of, the folk tales that they remember. We should learn from them and appreciate from them. Bring us back to who we are. Our indigenous peoples teach us of nature, our oneness with the land, with our physical environment, and most importantly, our self-worth. Despite these overwhelming contributions, Mr. Speaker, members of this House, we have admittedly underwhelmed them, as we have yet to bring them into our own language, mindset, law, and life. Let us create, Mr. Speaker, members of this House, places and spaces for them. Our actions and silence, inaction, have threatened their very existence when we do not oversee the laws that should be made to protect them. Let us awaken and be part of the fabric that we have destroyed by silence. The rainbow that they once knew should always be there. My support for the passage early and quickly of the future Tribal Courts Bill, I manifest, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.